These unwanted effects often begin within a "call me beautiful and take me to the gun range" shirt day or two of getting the vaccine. In line with the CDC, AstraZeneca's vaccine, which has not but been permitted within the US, that is made equally and likewise requires refrigeration, however, takes 2 doses. Thus far in Utah, we've acquired 797,550 doses of the Pfizer vaccine, 740,000 doses of the Moderna vaccine, and 45,000 doses of the recently approved Johnson & Johnson vaccine. Johnson jumped from 3,200 to 16,100. This "call me beautiful and take me to the gun range" shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt, and hoodie. Tank top, V-neck, hoodie, sweatshirt. However, there are some "call me beautiful and take me to the gun range" shirt variations. Then, on January 6, 2021, Moderna in Flip obtained a conditional advertising authorization for the indication of lively immunization to forestall COVID-19 as a consequence of SARS-CoV-2 in topics 18 years of age and over. A few of these Cottonwoods residents received COVID-19 as a result of their doses hadn't reached most effectiveness but completely. Folks with no doses? But Mom Nature might assist curb Canada's third wave as properly permit folks to take pleasure in the advantages of vaccinations. Other products.